Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Borrowell. Can I get my credit report through Borrowell? The straightforward answer is yes. If you are in Canada, Borrowell provides users with free, weekly access to their Equifax credit report and credit score. Borrowell partners directly with the credit bureau Equifax Canada to provide this service. Getting your credit report through Borrowell is a soft inquiry, which means it will not hurt your credit score, no matter how often you check it. This service is entirely free to use and does not require a credit card or your social insurance number to sign up. Once you have a free account, you can typically view and download your full Equifax credit report from your dashboard. This report is a detailed summary of your credit history, including accounts, payment history, and credit inquiries. Regularly checking your report this way is an excellent practice for monitoring your financial health and watching for any errors or potential fraud. In short, Borrowell is a reliable and free way to access your credit report and stay informed about your credit status. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.